Hello everyone! Happy Sunday! We just got home from church and now it's his breakfast. And GL is loving his breakfast. The one that Mama made yesterday. Lami nak? Squash cake. Squash cake. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Yummy, yummy, yummy in the tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy in the tummy. Nga. Subo, Mama subo. You like it? You love it? Yummy, yummy, yummy in the tummy. GL is sleepy. He fell asleep for only 10 minutes in the church. And he woke up because people were clapping their hands. Right, baby? Say hello, everybody. It's Sunday, first day of the week. Subo, Mama. Subo. GL. Knock, knock. Baby?